From the first time I came here, I felt like I'm on the right place. It was wonderful. When I met Dilek, I thought I having a new girlfriend, a new friend. In Germany, I never go to the dentist because I'm scared. I'm scared a lot. But here, I thought I'm going to the, how do you say, hairdresser? It was great. Never, not a second. When I was here and the implant came into my mouth, I felt, no second I felt any pain or sound like this. Never. I was here for 2 times. First time for my implants in April, and the second time I'm here now, it's August, and everything is finished. And I feel happy. Since 3 years, I'm waiting to eat a sandwich. And I already had one yesterday. It was wonderful, it was great. The clinic is very clean. I don't saw a clinic like this in Germany. A couple, but mostly the clinics are small and not like this. This clinic is perfect. Everything is cleaned, everything is wonderful. You don't feel like you are at the dentist. It's great.
Thank you.
Yes, for sure. I could give you a big smile because I just could smile. It's great.
Free your smile.
Free your smile, yes. Dilek, I didn't. She's a wonderful wife.